Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the media setting in Twitter. The sensitive media I'm talking about is things such as nudity or violence, things like that. The setting to turn it on or off. Normally, you would think there would be an option in the app to change it, but as you can see here on content preferences, there's no option to change it. You're going to have to do it on the Twitter website. So go to any browser and go to twitter.com. Once you are there, click on Twitter and then log in. Alright, now that you're logged in, click on the little star thing in the top right corner. Once you click that, click Your Content Preferences. And then after you do that, go to Search Settings. And once you're in Search Settings, you can see Hide Sensitive Content, and you can decide whether to turn it on or off. As soon as you click it, it will automatically save it to your account, so it should either hide it or show it, whatever your case is. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I hope this video was helpful, and if you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe.